guys who love animals. Today I introduce our website Bunnypals Playground. Here kids share their crafts, drawings and writings. This blog was made by Grace and Grace's mom. I will move on Among Us. Grace organized the Bunny Club in 2022, and this blog launched by Grace's idea this year, 2024. Writings, we have some, but almost were written by Grace. So this one, The Friends I Need, this poem was awarded by PTA in 2022. And we love this poem also, A Tree, so visit here. And another one, The Pickle's Diary. If you click this, the one you could read it. This will be very, very fun. Let's move on the drawings. Some drawings are very cute and fun and very creative. You see this, the birthday, the card, very creative. And some of them we did some designs we started using for the sticker, so you can buy. So this is the shop, our shop. Let's move on craft. Here also you could download some papers and then you can enjoy. Yes. And also you can download and cut and play. And this one is e-card. You will like this one. You can find the more stuff here. We have some stuff, our resources. Please visit here, and if you like this blog, could you subscribe this YouTube channel, and also if you like this website, yeah, the donation is welcome. 영어가 너무